Hello everyone, welcome to the today's hot topic discussion, that is JNVST 2025 math solved paper. So outside the examination center, all parents and students only discussing about mathematics part. So nobody discussing about English grammar or mental ability questions. So nowadays maths is one of the trickiest part in JNVST, but this year mathematics paper is very easy compared to last many years. Not only last year, if you compare any previous questions, this year question paper is very simple, and let us see it and enjoy. If you like, please share and subscribe. Here in this question, the prime factorization of 90 is very simple. So you just have to do the prime factorization of 90. So 2, so 45 into 2 is 90. So 3, 15, and here again 3, 5 is a 15, and 5 1 is a 5. So that means this can be written as 2 into 3 to the power of 2 into 5. So option C is the right answer. Here in this question, find the difference between the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers formed using the digits 4207. So using 4207, we have to first find out the largest number, that is 7420. So smallest number means it is 2047. Let us subtract this. So here 3, 7, 3, 5. So 5373 is the right answer. Here in this question, if 9432 divided by 1.25 is equal to 7545.6, then what is this value? Here you can use two methods. One is directly you can divide and get the answer. Another one is use this first term and then get the answer. So I am here using first term, that is 9432 divided by 1.25 is equal to 7545.6. So here to make 9.432, we have to divide the numerator by 1000. Alright. So as we are dividing 1000, we have to multiply 1000. Okay. So alright. So again for denominator, to make 1.25 to 12.25, we have to multiply 1.25 to 10. Okay. And as we are multiplying 10, so we have to divide 10. So here this is equal to same 75456. So let us simplify the term. So what we get is 9.432 into 1000. Okay, divided by 12.5. Here this 10 will be multiplied to numerator. Okay, is equal to 7545.6. Okay, so here 1000 into 10 is 10,000. So if we transfer this part to right hand side, it will become 9.432 divided by 12.5 is equal to 7545.6 divided by 10,000, right? So decimal point will be coming after 1 2 3 4. So four numbers we have to count, 1 2 3 4. So it will come here. So 7 point here 0.75456 is the answer. Okay, so B is the answer. But many students, what they did is they just directly divided this one and for only one iteration. So when they get 0.7 answer, and they selected B as the option. Okay. Here in this question, the sum of the given decimal numbers is what? So here you just have to add the decimal number, say 1.1, and after that 1.01. Okay. So again 1.001, 1.001. Okay, so after that 0.01, it can be written as like this. So 11.01, 11.01, it can be written like this, and 111.1001. Okay, so it can be written like this. All right, so let us add. So here 1, and here it is 1, and here it is 1 2 3. So here 1 plus 1 is 2, and here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so here it is 2 1. So 125.2311 is the right answer. Here in this question, in a question of division, if a divisor is 51, let us say divisor is equal to 51 and quotient is equal to quotient, let us say q is equal to 16 and remainder r is equal to 27. So this is simple grade 3 CBSE question. So we have to find out the dividend here. Then what is the dividend? That is the question. So dividend formula is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So this is the formula. So here quotient is given 16 into divisor is 51 plus remainder is 27. Okay, so here first we have to multiply 16 into 51. All right, so here 16 and 5 16 5 is 80, so it will be 816. Okay, so this part is 816 plus 27. All right, so we have to add this 7 6, it is 13, and 2 plus 2 it is 4, and it is 8. So dividend is equal to 843 is the answer. Here in this question, which of the following is always a factor of every prime number? Let us take any prime number, say 5. So factor of 5 are 1 and 5. And factor of let us say 7. So factor of 7 is 1 and 7, right? So A is the right answer. So 1 is the factor always for any prime number. Here in this question, the simplest fraction form of the given decimal number. So this question is based on decimal number to fraction conversion. So the given number is 20.0925. To shift 0925 to left hand side, we have to multiply into 10,000. Okay, so as we are multiplying, we have to divide 10,000. So this will become 20925, and the denominator it is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so as both the numbers are ending with 5 and 0, so we can divide this numerator and denominator by 5. Okay, so here 20925 divided by 5. All right, so 5 4 is 20. So I took 0, it is not dividing, so I put here 0 and took 9. So 5 1 is 5. All right, so here again I took 2, 5 8 is 40, and let us take 5 5 5. All right, so numerator part will become here, it is 40185 divided by denominator. If we divide denominator by 5, it is 5 to the 10, so that is 2000. All right, so let us reduce further. Divide both numerator and denominator by 5. All right, so here 40185 divided by 5. 5 8 is 40. So take 1, as it is not dividing, so put 0 and take another one number 8. So 5 3 is 15. Okay, so take 5 5 7 is 35. All right, so here numerator becomes 8037. So what about if we divide 20,000 by how much? 5, because both are divisible by 5, right? So here if we divide numerator and denominator by 5, so denominator value will become 5 4 20, means it is 400. All right, so 8037 divided by 400 is the right answer. Here in this question, you can use the BODMAS rule to simplify, but this is very simple because everywhere you can see the subtraction. So here this bar part is 3. Okay, so then 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So this part is 2, and further again 16 minus 2 is equal to how much? 14. So this part, complete part, is 14. So here again 18 minus 14. So 18 minus 14 is equal to 4. Okay, so this part, this complete part is 4. So 8 minus 4. So this part 8 minus 4 is 4, right? So 4 is the right answer, C. Here in this question, we have to add all these numbers, and the answer we have to derive it in decimal number. So here 3 is given first term, and second term 3 by 100, that is equal to 0.03, and third term it is 3 by 1000, means let us reduce 1 0, so it will be 003. So third term it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 in the denominator, so let us reduce 1 0, it is 5 1 2 3 4 5 and then 3. Okay, so now we have to add. So here 3 0 0, and here it is 3, and here it is 3 0. So answer will be 3.033 and 3.033 and 003. So this is the answer. Here in this question, 17 bottles of water, each 300 ml, and 30 bottles of juice, each is 130 ml. Alright. So here 17 bottles into 300 ml is equal to, it is 5100, right? So this is in terms of ml. Okay. So again here 30 into 130 ml. Alright. So 13 into 3 is 3900 ml. Okay. So let us add these two things, and here so 9000 ml. So this is equal to, in terms of liter, it is 9 liter. Alright. So B is the right option. So this question is available in CBSE grade 3. Here in this question, Suresh left his home at 9 a.m. to meet his uncle. So he walked 10 minutes. So let us say we can write one side hour and one side minute, so that it will be easy to calculate the total amount of time. So here 10 minute 0 or 10 minute. Okay. Traveled in bus for 1 hour 5 minute. Okay. So 1 hour 05 minute. Alright. And then walked for 15 minute to reach his uncle home. So he walked 15 minute here, and he stayed there 3 hours 20 minutes. Okay. So in his uncle home, he stayed 3 hours 20 minutes. So total time he spent during reaching his uncle home and staying there is, so here 10 and this is 5, and so 4 hour 15 minute he spent for reaching his home to his uncle home. Okay. So now the question is, how much time did he take on return journey? So this can be calculated by calculating total time. So total time here is, total time duration for reaching to his uncle home and spending time there and then coming back to his home is 9. Start time is 9 a.m. So end time is 15:30, right? 3:30 p.m. means it is 15:30. So minus 9. So total time is 6 hour 30 minute. All right. So 6 hour 30 minute he spent, and in that if we subtract 4 hour 50 minute, we will get the return journey time, right? So 4 hour minus 4 hour 50 minute. So as this is 30, so here we have to borrow 1. So borrowing 1 means it is 60 minute, right? So we have to rewrite this once again. So that means 5 hour 90 minute minus 4 hour 50 minute. Alright. So after subtracting, we will get 1 hour 40 minute is the duration. That is option C. Here in this question, a shopkeeper buys at the rate of 5 toffees for 1 rupee. So a rupee means it is a 1 rupee. So 5 toffees for 1 rupees. But what about 1 toffee? So 1 toffee is equal to 1 by 5 rupees, right? So 1 rupee divided by 5 is the cost of 1 toffee. So this is also equal to cost price of 1 toffee. Alright. So he sells toffees for to 1 rupee. So then his sell price of 1 toffee is equal to, it is 1 by 4 rupees. Alright. So this is the selling price. So cost price is 1 by 5 and sell price is 1 by 4. Alright. So here we have to calculate profit. So here profit is equal to difference between the selling price minus cost price, right? So if we subtract this, it will be how much? 1 divided by 20, right? So this is the amount of profit he earned for selling 1 toffee. Okay. So how about if 125 rupees profit he made? So let us say for 1 toffee he earned 1 by 20 rupees. Okay. So here what about 125 rupees? How much toffee he sold? Okay. So let us do the cross multiplication. 125 into 1 is 125 and here x into 120. Alright. So here x is equal to 20 into 125. Okay. Let us multiply this. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 and 2 1s are 2 and keep 0 as it is. So 2500 toffees he sold. Okay. So this is the right answer. Here in this question, which of the following rectangles has maximum area and how much is the maximum area in square centimeter? We have to find out. So here first question, the A figure. Okay. So it is 18 into 10 is 180 centimeter square. Alright. So how about B? B, it is 14 into 40. So 14 into 14 is 196 centimeter square. So C, it is 12 into 16. 16 12 it is 192 centimeter square. Okay. So here 17 11 it is 187. Alright. So here the question is maximum area. So maximum area is 96 and it is B figure. Okay, 196 and B. So this is the answer. In this question, what should be subtracted from 33 divided by 40 to get 11 by 40? So what should be subtracted means, let us say x, and it is equal to 11 by 40. So transfer x to this side and transfer 11 by 40 to left hand side. So here 33 divided by 40 minus 11 by 40 is equal to x. Alright. So as these are like fractions, so we just have to subtract from the numerator. So 33 minus 11 is 22 divided by 40. So if we reduce to lower form, x is equal to 11 by 20. Alright. So here student done correctly. It is 11 by 20. So 11 by 20 is the right answer. Here in this question, a square park is of side 50 meter. Let us say this is the square park. Alright. So there is a path 2.5 meter wide running all around inside it. Okay. So outside square is 50 meter length. Okay. And this side also 50 meter. Okay. So here there is a path inside the square park. So let us say this is the park walkway. Okay. So here I am drawing again. So let us say this is the path. Okay. So this path wide is 2.5 meter, and here also it is 2.5 meter. So the area of this shaded part, like red shaded part, is we can find out by subtracting total area outside square area minus inside square area. So first of all, area of outside square is 50 into 50, because side of outside square is 50 meter. So 50 into 50 is 2500 square meter. Okay, area 1. So area 2 is the inside square area. Okay, inside square, what is the side of inside square is, let us say 50 minus this is 2.5 and this 2.5 we have to subtract, right? So minus 2.5 here and minus 2.5. So this is equal to 45. Okay, so inside square side length is 45 meter. So 45 into 45 is equal to 2025. Okay, so after subtracting, let us say here 5 and here 7 and here 4 and 0. So 475 square meter is the area of the red shaded part. So 10 per meter square meter is the cost. Then if we multiply 475 into 10, we will get 4750 is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. Here in this question, simplification gives. So here all are like fraction. So you just have to add addition part, and after that subtract the minus parts. Okay, so here plus parts are 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 9, it is 21. Okay, so 21 by 22 minus, so minus parts are 3 and 1. So minus 4 divided by 22. So 21 minus 4 is 17 divided by 22. This is the answer. Here in this question, Tina purchased a scooter for 55,000 rupees and she spent 3,400 on its repair. Okay, so total cost price of the scooter becomes 55,000 plus 3,400 rupees. So this is equal to 58,400 rupees. Alright, so then she sold the scooter to her friend at 56,030. So here selling price will become 56,030 rupees. Okay, so as you know, cost price here it is greater than selling price. So Tina faced a loss, right? So loss formula is equal to, it is cost price minus selling price. So here I am just subtracting. Alright, so here it is 2. So 2370 is the loss. So option B is the right answer. Here in this question, the angle between minute's hand and hour hand at 6 p.m. is. So here for any teacher or lecturer, he can teach like 360 divided by 12 is equal to 30 degrees. So for 1 hour it is 30 degree. For 6 hour it is 30 into 6 is equal to 180. So 180 degree is the straight angle. This is how teacher can teach. But imagine how students solved this problem. So student just saw a analog clock on a examination hall, and he imagined the position of a hand, position of the minute hand and the hour hand, and he predicted it is a straight angle, right? So sometimes students are very clever than teacher, right? Here in this question, bar graph shows the number of questions solved by PQ and RS. Okay, so here from the above bar graph, find how many more questions Q and R solved together than P and S. So here Q and R we have to add. So addition of Q and R is 10 plus 6, right? 10 plus 6, it is 16. So then P and S. So sum of a P and S is 8 plus 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So here we have to just subtract 16 minus 12. That is equal to 4. That answer is 4. A option. Here in this question, a bicycle wheel has a total 24 spokes. The angle between pair of adjacent spokes is, so as you can see, 24 spokes means 24 angles. Okay, so one complete rotation of a bicycle wheel is 360 degree, right? So 360 divided by 24 angles is equal to, so if we reduce it, it will be 180 divided by 12, and further if we reduce, it will be 90 divided by 6, and here 15 6 ja. So 15 degree is the answer. All right.